right, so having worked on body, the next thing we'll be going to is to work on our first div, the particular divs that contain all other elements aside from body. So, and that is, so after body we declare a div called with a class name of main. So that is exactly what we want to work on now. Okay, so this is what I used before in what I showed you, but there's going to be a slight change here because the one I showed you before was actually, it was not responsive on phone, on an Android phone. So I've made some changes to it. So I'll be making some changes to it now. Alright, so instead of just height, now we'll be declaring minimum height. And then we'll make it 80 VH. So position should still be relative. So position should be relative. Minimum height this. Then width should be 80%. Display should be flex. Align item should still be center. Justify content should still be center. Then background. Yeah, we can leave it this way. And then what other thing? Okay, I would like to give it a border radius. So this, okay, let me tell you about this. I'll make it this, the two colors I have here, they are very close, so I'm going to be changing them so that you can see the difference very well. So this background, instead of normal color, I'm using linear gradient. Linear gradient has to do with, you know, a kind of, when you see some color that it keeps changing somehow, like, let's say this side is black, and then as it is going, it started changing to maybe red or something. So this is how you can code such. So let's say we are starting with this, then I'll be changing this particular second, I'll be changing this second color. So linear gradient then to right, so we want it to change towards right. So I'll be changing this one to one obvious color. Let me take it to something like this. So seeing the two colors are obvious now. This one something like gray and this one something like blue. Okay, so let's save this and then come back here to refresh. Okay, can you see this side of the color now? Gray, and this side is lighter compared to this. So I told you about display the other time that when it is flex, so it's going to display like, let's say, from right to left or something, side by side. But if it is grid, it should be from up to down. Okay, then let's go to what are that. Okay, let's go and style our button. Remember that everything is inside main, the class name of main. That is the div that is the div that contains all other what is it called? Okay, all other elements. So now button, I'll be giving it margin and then padding. Let's see what are the buttons that we have there before. So these are buttons. This previous is button. This play button. This is next button. So, and this one too, this autoplay, it's also a button. So that is exactly what we want to style now. So padding, okay, padding. Then I want it to be 10 and then 12. 10 pixel and then 12 pixel. Then margin now, and I want the margin to be. I thought I've explained this before. If you have forgotten, you need to go back and see where I explained it. That if you declare it to be just 2, this 10 pixel stand for right and then top, while this one stand for left and bottom. So if it is 1, it stands for everything. Okay, so now in this case I'm going to be making it 0 and then 10 pixel. Okay, so let's see what we have on our button now. Aha, so more obvious and then more beautiful. Alright, see you in just a moment. Bye.